So now we have configured WhatsApp API account, and also we are on Pro plan. So now let's create a chatbot. Let's go to WhatsApp automation, chatbot, auto reply. So first we can delete this template. So just to give you overview, so we will be creating a chatbot like this. So first there will be three options: call support, chat support, and shop on web. And when call support is clicked, it will redirect to, it will basically open a dialer, and chat support will open a WhatsApp chat to a selected number, and shop on web will give two options: shop all and shop by brand. Shop all will redirect to all categories, and shop by brand will give two options: or Lego, Nerf. And when Lego is clicked, basically it will redirect to Lego category, and then Nerf category. So let's create this chatbot. So first we will create a template here, which will be auto reply, which will be a first template. So we can say speaker. You can give any text here. So first option will be call support. So new phone number. And second button will be chat support. So here is WhatsApp chat. And third option will be shop on web. So here this when we are selecting quick reply, it will be a keyword, and with this keyword we have to create a template, we have to create an action. So this is shop on web, so we will copy this as this is an action keyword. So we'll submit this. Okay, so now we will enable this template. Now we'll go to actions. We'll create a new action. Now just paste this. It should be same as the keyword shop on web. And now here we will see from shop on web there are two options: shop all or shop by brand. So here we will give two options. Shop all will basically redirect to all categories. So to redirect to all categories, we will just open here. So we have given a URL of all categories, and then we'll give another two options. No, we will give one option, which is shop by brand. Now this will be a keyword. We'll submit it. So now when user will click on shop by brand, we have to show them two options: shop basically Nerf and Lego. So we'll put shop by brand, exact name. Here we will give us URL. So we'll just copy the URL of Nerf. And here we will give another button which will be Lego. No, it will be a static URL of Lego collection. Submit. So now the setup is complete. So in auto reply, so first option is call support, will open a dialer, then chat support will open a WhatsApp, and shop on web will actually open shop on web, which will send this template. Shop all will open all collection, shop by brand will send this template, and then this template will open Nerf, basically send this template, and Nerf will open the Nerf collection, and Lego will open the Lego collection. So now let's test this chatbot. So now we'll send a message. So now we got three options. Call support will actually open a dialer, and then chat support will open a WhatsApp messenger, and then shop on web should give us two options, shop all and shop by brand. Here it is. Shop all will redirect to all collection page, and then shop by brand will give us two options again, Nerf and the Lego. Let's see. There it is. Nerf will open Nerf collection, and then Lego will open Lego collection.